Hello guys, I am Himanshu from WP Township. Today I will show you step by step how to create a free pop-up in your WordPress site using Elementor. In this video I will show you whenever we will clicking on this registration button, I just want to show a pop-up over here and I will show you how you can create that without using Elementor Pro in our site. Before moving further, if you want to learn basic to advanced WordPress step by step, you can enroll in our WP Mastery course and become part of WP community. Also, you will get 20 plus pre-made WordPress templates on different themes developed by us as a bonus. Please like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future updates. So now let's first log inside our WordPress dashboard. So for that, here what I will do, I will type wp-admin after my WordPress site name and it will redirect me to the login page. Here I will quickly enter my username and password and then I will click on this login button to get inside my WordPress dashboard. So first of all, let's go to the plugins option and here you can see that we have already Elementor Pro. So what I will do in Elementor Pro, it is by default showing us to create a pop-up, but we don't use this Elementor Pro and I am going to show you without using the Elementor Pro how you can easily create a free pop-up. So for that, click on this add new and we are going to use a plugin over here. So search here for premium add-on or you can search here for Elementor only in the search plugin and you will get a plugin name with premium add-ons for Elementor, this one by Leap 13. So this is the plugin that we are going to use to create a free pop-up in our site. So as you can see that this plugin is getting installed. Once it will get installed, we have to activate this plugin. So let's wait till this installation completed and after that we have to activate it. So let's activate this plugin and now once you will activate this plugin, let's go back to our page. So here I will go to my pages and here I will show you in the home page. So let's click on this edit with Elementor and let's load our Elementor page builder. So here you can see that my Elementor page builder is loading and I will show you how you can add that pop-up over here, the free one. Let me open this site in a new tab also and let me show it to you how you can you will find the premium pop-up over here in the Elementor Pro. You will get a premium pop-up, but as we have installed the premium add-ons for Elementor, in the widget section you have to search for modal and you will get this premium modal box. This is what we are going to use and here you can easily able to drag this premium modal box and I think this is okay, this is a slider, that's why we cannot add here, but we can add here in this. Instead of this read more, I can take this read more also to add this pop-up. So as you can see, like in this premium add-ons, I will change it to read more. So here you can see that first of all, whenever I am clicking on it, this is the modal box title and this is the modal box content. Whatever content you want, or if you want to add any template over here, you can easily able to add that. So here first of all we have this modal box title and modal box content, and whenever you will scroll like upper close button, we will get this upper close button, or if you don't want, you can, if you want to get a lower close button, you can also get a lower close button like this. Alright, then here if you will see like text, what is the text you want to add, you can add this text, and then what is the entrance animation, trigger option. In trigger option you can customize this button name. So instead of this premium add-on, I just want to give the button name read more. So in this way you can give it a read more, then you can adjust the size. So let's make the button size medium. Then you can also adjust the alignment. So I just want to give it a left aligned. Then in the style tab you can first rearrange the style of it. So first of all let me give it a border radius of 100 pixel to this button, and then you can also customize the padding of it. If you want to customize the padding, you can easily able to customize the padding of it also. What I will do, let me remove this button and instead of this button I just want to keep this one. And what are the content if you want to add, suppose this is the, if you want to add, this is the title, you can easily able to add it. Then here if you will want like text, this is the for the close button, and here if you want what are the content over here, if you want to add it, you can easily able to add, or you can set a Elementor template also. Like here you can see we have different templates. So what I will do, let's make it like the header which we have added. I just want to add it. So here you can see in the template part it is showing me the header option over here, where I can easily able to make the column gap wider or narrow. I can customize this entire part of it. So if you don't want to get that, you can anytime you can change it to Elementor template to text editor, or if you want to add any of the template, or if you want to create your own template, that one also you can do it. As you can see, like whenever I have clicked on this create template, so it has opened like this, and if I want some of the background image to it, I can easily able to add a background image to it. So let me show you how you can add over here. So here I will choose this as a background image, and then I just want to give it a proper height to it. So what I will do, in the layout option, height, I will set it as mean height, and I want to give it 450 pixel of height, and I just want to customize this entire proper position. I just want to make it center size, let's give it cover. Okay, let's give it top center over here, like this is looking good. And whatever heading I want to give it over here, I can click on this 9 dot, and whatever heading you want to give, like this is a heading for the pop-up. And then now you can see that I have added a heading. So let's make it a center aligned only, and I will change this heading color to white. And in the same way I will duplicate, and I will have some of the lorem ipsum text. So lorem ipsum generator, let's have some paragraph text over here. So what I will do, I will quickly copy some of the paragraph text, this one, and I will try to add it over here. And tag, I will change it the tag to P, and you can customize the typography. Let's give it 16, 24, and update it. So I have updated this template, and you can also give it a template name also, like free pop-up. I want to give it free pop-up template, and save it, insert template. Now what I will do, whenever you will click on it, okay, free pop-up, it should appear over here. I think it is, why it is not appearing, or I need to close this one. And this is what we have created, this free pop-up. And you can see whenever I am clicking on it, I am getting the same title and the pop-up that we have created over here. So whenever you will click on this read more button, we are getting the same pop-up. So in this way you can create a customized pop-up for yourself with this Elementor premium add-ons for Elementor plugin. Thank you so much for watching this video till now. If you really like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.